Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring a fascinating creature, the slug. A slug is a type of mollusk similar to a snail, but it doesn't have a big visible shell. It's soft and squishy all over. Think of a slug as a snail without its shell. While snails have a hard shell on their back, slugs only have a small internal shell or none at all. As slugs move, they leave behind a slimy trail. This slime helps them slide over different surfaces smoothly and prevents them from drying out. Slugs mainly eat decaying leaves and plant matter. They play an important role in breaking down old plants and keeping the environment clean. They love damp environments and are commonly found in gardens, forests, or anywhere that's moist and shady. So a slug is a unique shellless mollusk that moves slowly and leaves a slimy trail. The next time you spot one in your garden, you'll know exactly what it is. If you enjoyed learning about slugs, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting nature facts.